Hello, welcome to William's English Lessons. Today's topic is the invention of the washer and dryer. The keywords for this lesson are washer, 洗衣机 dryer, 烘干机 electric, 电动的 automatic, 自动的 machine, 机器 patent, 专利 detergent, 洗涤剂 rinse cycle, 漂洗周期 Before the invention of the washer and dryer, washing clothes was very labor-intensive. Many inventors looked for a way to make this job easier. In 1858, Hamilton Smith received the first U.S. patent. The patented machine cleans clothes by rolling them back and forth by hand cranking. The first electric clothes washer was the Thor, sold in 1907. It worked, but the user still had to open it several times to put in detergent on, turn on the rinse cycle. In 1937, the first automatic washer was invented by John Chamberlain. But all the clothes were still wet after washing and had to be hung outside. North Dakota is famous for its long, cold winters. James Ross Moore figured out a way to spin clothes over a flame or a heater. The Hamilton Company perfected his ideas and sold the first clothes dryers in 1938. Thank you for watching. 谢谢观看。